Hello and welcome to this guided meditation for stress release. Let's start by finding a comfortable seated position. With your feet flat on the ground and your hands resting on your lap. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and exhale slowly through your mouth. As we begin, I invite you to let go of any tension or stress you may be holding on to. Take a moment to acknowledge any physical sensations or emotions that are present for you right now, without judgment. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Notice the rise and fall of your chest, and the sensation of air entering and leaving your body. With each breath, allow yourself to relax a little bit more. Imagine a warm, soothing light surrounding you, gently releasing any tension or worry. Let this light wash over you, filling you with a sense of calm and peace. As you continue to breathe, visualize any stress or tension as a dark cloud hovering above you. With each breath out, imagine this cloud dissipating, leaving behind a clear, open sky. Now, bring your awareness to your body. Begin at the top of your head and slowly scan down to your toes, noticing any areas of tightness or discomfort. With each breath, send relaxation and release to these areas, allowing them to soften and let go. Take a moment to connect with your heart center, the place where love and compassion reside. With each breath, imagine this space expanding and filling you with a warm, loving energy. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a few deep breaths and slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes. Remember that you can return to this sense of calm and relaxation at any time by simply taking a few deep breaths and tuning into the present moment. Thank you for joining me in this meditation. May you carry this sense of peace with you throughout your day.